So the first part in your syllabus is series. The module number 5 start with series. Series, it may be number series or letter series. So basically series is a group of numbers will be given to you, and you have to find the missing numbers. Maybe you have to replace the wrong numbers by the right numbers. Then they will ask the what should be the next number in this series. So these are called series. So series are two types. One is letter series, one is number series. So we'll start with number series. So if I ask what is if I write 1 2 3 4 5, and if I ask you what will be the next number, then what will be the answer? 6, because it is following a particular pattern. All the numbers, the next number is increased by 1, plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. The numbers are getting increased by plus 1. So this is a pattern. So the next number is 6. Similarly, if I write 6 5 4 3, then blank, then 1, then what will be this number, missing number?
Two.
It will be 2, because this is also following a particular pattern. Means the numbers are getting decreased by 1. So these are called series. So there are many patterns in the series, like addition. So this is the case of addition, getting added. Then this is the case of subtraction. Then there are multiplication, division, then plus 2 minus 2, anything. The series can be of anything. You have to find out the pattern. Okay, we'll start with, then there is another series of prime number. So you have to remember the prime number. What are the prime number? Like 1 2 3 5 7 11 13. These are the prime number. Means it will have two factors, 1 and the number itself. So these are called prime numbers. So sometimes they will ask you, like they will write 2 3 5 7 11 13. Then they will ask you what will be the next number. So the next number will be, you have to remember the
15.
series, not 15, 17.
17.
17, because 17 is having two factor, 1 and 17 itself. 15 means if you find the factors, it will be 3, 5, 1, 15.
Okay. You're writing the prime numbers. Okay.
This is the series of prime numbers. You have to understand what they're asking. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Then what will be the next number? 13. Then next 17, like this. So you have to remember the square of at least 20, 1 to 20, then square of a cube of at least 1 to 20. So these are the things you have to remember, because sometimes it will be useful for fast calculation. So an example we will see, like this one, very easy, like 2, 4, 6, 8. What will be the next number?
10.
10.
10. 10. Understood? Because all the numbers are getting added by 2, getting increased by 2. 2 is added to each and every number to get the next one. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then try to solve this one. 2, 5, 11, 17, 23, 31. Then what is the next number? So this is the question. 2, 3, 2, 5, 11,
37.
7. The options are 33, then 37, 41, and 43.
37.
37 is the answer. Why? What is the reason?
Addition of 6.
Hmm.
Addition of 6.
अच्छा, ठीक है. All the numbers, the difference of 5 to 11, 6, 17 to 23, 6, 23, 31 is 8. 8, right? So actually these are also prime number, na? These are prime number, na? 2, 5, 11, 17, 23, 31, 37, then 43. These are prime number, na? So this kind of question they used to ask. Understood? Any doubt in that?
Oh, 33 part of that series, Bhaiya.
33? No, 33. This is
That is an
the option. This
option.
is the option. This is the option. Option. This is option.
Okay. Okay.
This is option. And this one is the question. This one is the question. Any doubt? We'll solve more problems. Okay. Next, another problem we'll solve. 2, 5, 8, then 11, then 14, then 17, then find out what is the missing number, then 26. The options are 19, 21, 20, and 18.
20.
20. Why 20?
Plus 3.
3.
This is the series of addition. So if you find the difference of the first and second number, it will be 3 plus 3, then plus 3, then plus 3. Here also plus 3, plus 3. So obviously the next will be plus 3. Each and every numbers are getting increased by 3. So it will be 20. Okay. Then another example. See, 20 numbers, 20 marks will come from mathematics. That's why it is important topic in this paper 1, because there are no other topics which will give you 20 marks. It is very easy to score this 20 marks. If you can score 20 marks, at least you will be ahead of 1,000 people. So try to score maximum, try to score full in the exam, and very easy question are being asked. 45, then 38, then 24, then 17, and then 10, then 3. Answer is as option. Options are 31, 34, then 38, then 29.
31.
31. Because
It's 7 because of 7 between the numbers.
this is the series of subtraction. How by how much? 7. By 7, they are getting subtracted. 45 to see the difference. First, you try to find the difference. There are many things: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So one by one, you have to apply the rules. So here, if we apply the rules of addition, it is not being applied because it is not applicable, because here it is decreasing. Numbers are in decreasing order. So here, if you find the difference 45 to 38, it will be minus 7. Okay. Then here also, if you consider minus 7, it will be 31. If you consider again minus 7, it will be 24. So matching again minus 7, minus 7, minus 7. Right? Any doubt?
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. Then I'll give you some more problem. Try to solve. Wait. I'll give you one question.
How many numbers should we remember?
Square.
Prime numbers.
Prime number. Remember as much as you can. Up to 100, how many prime numbers are there? At least remember.
Yeah.
Then square, at least up to 20 square, you have to remember.
Okay.
So this is another problem I'll give you. Suppose 2, 7, 17, 32, 52, 77. What is the next number? The answers are, options are, not answer. Options are like 107, 91.
It's 107, sir.
101. Acha, 107. Okay. Any other answer? Why it is 107?
The difference is increasing by 5.
Yes. This is 5. Then this is 10. This is 15. This is the difference of 32 and 52 is 20. This is 25. So the difference is getting increased by 5.
30.
So another 5, it will be 30. So 30 plus
7.
77 means 107. So clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir, it's clear,
Any
sir.
doubt? Anywhere you can ask. Okay. Okay, clear. Okay. Then try to solve this one. 15, then 18, then 24, then 45. And the options are 27, 30, 33, and 36. Now what will be the answer? Just try.
33.
33 भैया.
33. One answer is
36.
33. Okay. Another answer is 36. Okay.
36.
Okay. Some more answers. Any other answers?
33.
33. Okay. Let's see. So this is 15 minus 8, 15, 18, then 24. So it is an increasing trend, right? Increasing trend. So 15 to 18 to 24. So 15 to 18, how much? 3. Difference is 3. Then 6.
It's 33.
Then if this is 24. If we consider it is another 3, so it will be 9. So 24 plus 9, 33. From 33 it will be 9 plus 3, 12. So matching. So 3, 6, 9, then 12. Any doubt?
No.
Clear? Is it clear? So these
Yes.
are very basic problem. If you can understand this basic problem, then automatically you will solve any problem. Okay. Then the next example is, suppose a table is given to you. Eight, 6, 4, then 3. You have to find this number. Then 7, then 14, 16, 18. Now find the missing number. The number is missed, and the options I'll give you. 1 minute. Okay. And the options are 4,
5.
5, 6, 8. So what will be the answer?
5, sir.
5.
Yes.
5 is the answer. Okay. Another answer? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. So if we see, again I'm writing 8, 3, 14. 8, 6, 4, then 3, 7, then 14, 16, 18. Okay. The options are 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 8. 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay. If you see in this table, first you consider the first column. In the first column, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 4, 11 plus 3, 14. Got it? 8 plus 3 means 11. And 11, if you add these three with the sum of 8 plus 3, it will be 14, right? Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes.
Clear now? 8, 3, 14. How to create 14 with 8 and 3? See, if you add these two, 8 plus 3, it will be 11. If you add 11 with this 3, it will be 14. Similarly, 7 plus 4, 11. If you add 7 with 11, it will be 18, correct?
Yeah, yes.
Then if you put 5 here, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So answer will be 5.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Clear?
Uh, Sir, actually, but how I said is there's a difference of 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So similarly, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Like that we approached. I approached at least.
Hmm.
Is that is wrong? No, sir. That is wrong. Is it?
How did you approach again? Again, if you tell me how did you
See,
approach?
8 minus 2 is 6. Minus 2 is 4.
Okay,
Similarly, I
8
thought
minus 6 is
3 plus,
huh.
similarly 3 plus 2, if I put 5, 5 plus 2
Hmm.
is 7. Uh, like that I approached. Uh,
Okay,
Similarly
tell me the
14 plus 2
fast
is
line. You have, tell me the fast line. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2.
yes, sir.
Then 2 minus 6 equal to 4.
6 minus 4.
6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Then the next one,
6,
3 minus. Next is 3 minus 2. Hello?
but I put 3 plus 2, sir, there. Actually, that was
3
wrong.
plus 2. No,
Is
no,
it?
this is
Uh,
wrong because you have to follow same pattern.
One
This
pattern.
all these numbers,
Correct.
all the series are following a particular pattern. You have to find that particular pattern. Here you are applying the
Okay.
different pattern. One is minus, one is plus, not like this. The
Plus,
particular pattern. See,
like,
all the numbers are yes, all the numbers that are arranged in the particular column. In the first column also, they are also following the same pattern. This is also following the same pattern. This number is following also same pattern. Okay, and the number is 5.
got
If
it.
you add 5, you will get the answer.
Got it, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, right. Next, we'll see another pattern, and this will be suppose 3, 12. There will be see, this series will be having many pattern like addition, deletion, then plus 2, plus 3, then it may be plus 1, then minus 1, and again plus 1, then again minus 1, or multiplication series or division series, anything it may be. I will cover all the topics, all the pattern I will cover. 3, 4, 12, then 48, then blank, then 768, then 3072. So this is also a pattern. The number, the answers are 192, then 216, then 512, then 72. What will be the answer? Like if I say 3, 6, 9, then 12,
Bhaiya, what is the third? What is after the blank? 768, is it?
It's a
768. Yes,
multiplication of
768.
4, sir.
3072.
Seven
3072.
3072. Yes, 3072.
Okay.
So
It's
this is like if I
192,
write
sir.
4, then 8, then 12, then 16, then what will be the next number like this? So this is like a table. 4 2s are 3 4s are 12, then 4 4 are 16. So this is the table. This is the series of multiplication. This is also series of multiplication. Here the difference is here all the previous numbers. The previous number is getting multiplied by how much?
It's a multiplication of 4, sir.
4.
4.
4, sir.
4. Yes, 4.
192 is
The
the answer.
one the one I have written below is the table of 4. Okay, this is also a multiplication series. So this is also a multiplication series. The difference is
92,
that the previous number is getting multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 4s are 48. Then 48 12s are how much? Right? 192. The numbers, the previous number is getting multiplied by 4 to get the next number. 3, 12, then 48. Then the next number, then 68. 768. So 3 4s are 12. 12 4s are 48. Then 48 4s are 192. This is like this, like that. 2, then 8, then 32. Then what is the next number? Like this. So 2 4s are 8. 8 4s are 32. 2 4 32s are how much? 128. Like this. Any doubt in that?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear, na? So this kind of problem also they will ask in the exam. So this is a series of multiplication. Okay, another series is a series of division. I'll give you homework.
We allowed
You
calculators.
sorry.
Are we allowed calculators in the exam?
They will give you rough paper. So using the paper and pen, you have to calculate. No digital calculator like in computer or no, nothing will be given to you. Only pen and paper will be given to you. And very simple calculation, very simple mathematics they will ask. So without using calculator or digital calculator, you can solve it. In pen and paper only you can solve it. No problem. They will give you simple problem. I'll solve the questions that were being asked in the previous years. So you will have an idea. Even in the last session also, whatever they have asked, I will solve.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then there are another series of division, like if they ask 720, then 120, then 24, then 6, then they have given 1 at last. Then what is the number? What is the missing number?
1.
Options are
6.
1. Acha. Options are 1, 2, 3, and 4.
1.
3. Sorry, sir.
Acha.
2.
Each number is getting divided by how much? Okay. This is little complicated. See, 720, now they are getting decreased. 720 to 120, then 24. If you subtract, it will be 600, it will be 96. First one will be 600, then it will be 96. So not matching. Na? So you have to see another option. So division is the next option. If we divide 720 by 120, it will be 6. If we divide 120 by 24, it will be 5. If we divide 26 by 24 by 6, it will be 4. So see, 6, 5, 4,
3.
like that. So 3, 3, then it will be 2, obviously. 6 divided by 3, it will be 2. Right? So now see, 6 divided by 2, it is coming 3. Now 2 divided by 2, it will be coming 1. So 2 is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
The first number is getting divided by 6. The second one is getting divided by 5. See, 6 into 120 is 720. 5 into 24 is 120. Then 4 into 20, 4 into 6 is 24. Then to get 6, you have 3. You know that it is decreasing. This is in decreasing pattern. 6, 5, 4, 3, like this. 6, 5, 4. The next will be 3. So if you have 6, you have 3. You have to get 2. So divide 6 by 3, you will get 2. Okay. Then the next will be 2. So 2 by 2 will be 1. So see the lower number, they are getting decreased by 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. So your answer will be 2. Any doubt in that?
Yeah. Clear.
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now this kind of problem was came in the exam. Suppose 32, then 48, then 72, then blank 162, 243. Options are 84, 96, then 108, then 132. It is like uh, suppose 4, then 6, then 9, then what will be the next number? Just try to think. What will be the next number? 15, 13.5, 14, 16. What will be the next number?
14.
Or if I make it little complicated, not 14, you are close to the answer. It is 13.5.
13.5.
The next one, the next answer. The next answer will be C. Here, this is not a series of addition. It is 2, it is 3, then it is again 6 point something, 6.5. Sorry, 4.5. So it is not the series of addition also. It is not the series of multiplication also, because 4 to 6, then 6 to 9. But it is the series of multiplication, because if you multiply 1.5 with 4, it will give you how much? 6. Then again you multiply 1.5 with 6, it will give you 9. Just calculate. If you multiply 1.5 with 9, it will give you 13.5. Similarly, 1.5, if you multiply with 13.5, it will give you 20.25. So 20.25 will be the answer. So this kind of question also they used to ask, where the numbers are getting multiplied by 1.5 times or 2 by 3. So the similar pattern is used in this problem also. See 32, then 48, 48 to 72, then 162 to 43. If you 32 into 1.5 means 2 by 3, right? 1.5 means 2 by 3, na? 1.5 means how much? 15 by 10. Then, sorry, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Then 5. If you divide by 5, it will be 2, it will be 3, it will be 2. So 2 by 3 by 2. If you multiply 3 by 2 means 1.5. 3 by 2 with each and every number, you will get the next number. Like this one. If you 32, if you multiply 3 by 2 with 32, it will give you 48. 48 has come. Now 48 into again 3 by 2 or 1.5, it will give you 72. 72 has come. Now if you multiply again 3 by 2 with 72, it will give you how much? 108. So 100 will be 8 will be the answer. Have you understood this problem? Otherwise, I will again explain.
Understood. Bhaiya.
Understood? So
Yes.
numbers are getting multiplied not by 1, not by 2, but 1.5 times. That is 3 by 2. Everyone has understood this problem?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
The
Okay.
1.5, sir, arriving at 1.5 is our guess only, no, sir. We should try to guess and
Yes, yes,
try
yes.
to
You have to,
plug it.
you have to, you have to, sometimes you have to guess and you have to just hit it. Sometimes you used to hit and trial option also to get the number. But
Okay.
like this, we have to catch the pattern. What pattern the examiner has asked, what pattern he wants to show you. This, that is what we have to catch.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Okay. Now moving to the next pattern. Suppose if I ask you 1, 4, 9, this is another pattern. This is called n square pattern. N square. You have to remember the square of the numbers. 16, 25, 36. Then what will be the next number?
49.
49.
49.
7 square.
49. 7 square. Because if you see, now if you try to follow the rules of addition and multiplication, it will not work here. So next you have to try the n square series. N square means, see, 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, or 9, we can write 9 as 3 square, then 16 as 4 square, then 25 as 5 square, 36 as 6 squares. So obviously the next will be, this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5, 6 square. Next will be 7 square. So 7 square is 49. Correct? So this is a example of n square series. Now 0, 4, 16, 36, 64, then blank, then 1, 44. Now find out this one. The options are 100, 84, then 96,
100.
then 120. These are the 4 options, and this is the question.
भैया
What is the missing number? Missing number? Huh?
100.
100. Okay. One answer is 100. Any other answer?
120.
120. Okay.
Also, yes.
Okay. Let's solve this. Okay. So 0 means we can write it as 0. 4 means we can write it as 2 square. 16 means we can write it as 4 square. Then 36 means
100,
we can
sir.
write it as 6 square. Then 8 square. 64 means 8 square. So the series is, if I rewrite it, it will be 0 square, 2 square, then 4 square, then how much? 6 square, then 8 square. What will be the next number?
10 square.
10 square. So next is 12 square. 12 square is 144. Understood? So this is 100. So basically 100. 100 is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So up to 20, at least up to 20, you have to remember. 20 square. Okay. Now suppose if I give you another example or another question to solve, then it will be, suppose now try to solve this one. And I'll give you the hint. This is the pattern of n square plus 1 series. But sometimes, suppose one pattern is applicable to a series, sometimes it may be possible that another pattern also may be applicable for that series, which will give you same answer. So you can solve in either way. You can solve any pattern which will give you correct answer. So this is this is an example of n square plus 1 series.
Twenty-six.
26.
26. Any other answer from anyone? See, how did you find? Here there are two ways to solve this problem. One is n square plus 1. Another one is just now we have completed the series of addition. So first we will apply the n square plus 1 series, as we are already solving the series of square and square plus 1. So suppose 2 you can write 2 is equal to 1 square plus 1. 5 we can write as 2 square plus 1. 10 we can write as 3 square plus 1. Then 17 we can write as 4 square plus 1. So next will be how much? 5 square plus 1 equal to 26. The next is 6 square plus 1. It will give you 37. So this is the answer, 26. Any doubt? So this is one way to solve this problem. Another way to solve this problem is, this is one procedure to solve this problem. Sometimes there are many problems which can be solved using many patterns. So you can solve it in this also. See, difference 3, 2 to 5, the difference is 3. Then 5 to 10, the difference is 5. Then 10 to 17, the difference is plus 7. So what will be the next? 3, 5, 7. Then the next difference will be
9
9.
plus 9.
9. So 9 plus 9, it will give you 26. So there are two ways to solve this problem. So there will be many problem or many pattern that will come, which may be solvable using many techniques. So you can follow any techniques which is comfortable for you, or which will give a correct answer basically. You see the answers, and you can apply any procedure which will be time saving for you. So this is also a problem of n square plus 1 series. Mathematics basically it will be boring, but this is the easiest and most important part of paper 1. It will be boring, but if you practice it regularly, it will be interesting for you. Okay. Now another series they will give you n square minus 1. So this is the example of n square plus 1. Now n square minus 1 series. So suppose 0, 4, 0, then 3, then 8, then 15, then 24, then 35, then how much? Then 63. Answers are
48.
answers are suppose 48, then 50, then 60, and 52. These are the options.
48.
So one answer is 48. Why is it 48?
7 square
What
minus
pattern
1.
number?
It's a pattern of 1, 2, 3.
So 0 means 1 square minus 1 equal to 0. I can write 0 as 1 square minus 1, and I have already given the hint. It is a series of n square minus 1. So 3 we can write as how much? 2
2
square
square minus 1.
minus 1.
1.
4 minus 1. So 8 we can write as 3 square
3 square
minus
minus
1.
Minus 1.
Then 15 we can write as 4 square minus 1. So 16 minus 1, 15. Then 24 we can write as how much?
5 square
5
minus 1.
square minus 1.
Minus 1.
Then 36, na? 36, 5.
6
So
square
6
minus
square minus 1. So the next will be 7
7
square
square minus 1.
minus 1 equal to 48. So 48 will be the answer. So these questions also, it was also asked in some exam. So this kind of question they will ask you. So today we have completed the basic addition and subtraction, then multiplication, division series, n square plus 1, and n square minus 1. So for today, up to this much, we will cover. If you have any doubt, you can ask. I'll give you some homework. You can solve them at home, and if you find anything difficult, you can ask me. Any doubt in today's series? Are you finding it difficult to understand?
No, sir.
Yeah.
It's very clear.
Okay. Then from the next class, we'll continue the next patterns. So we'll finish the class here today. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om everyone. Thank you.
Hariom Bhaiya, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Thank you.